me ask you something.
Uh-huh.
Why would I need to be unboxing a portable hair conditioner?
That is a great question.
Nico, you have until the end of the title card to find me a portable air conditioner. Ready? Go! How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. We are back at it again with another episode of Unbox This. Summer may be coming to a close, but for a lot of us, warm weather is going to last for a few more months, which means you still probably need to have your AC running. So here's two powerful units for you. These Rosewill Portable Air Conditioners are multifunctional devices that cool and dehumidify your home. If you've been sweltering away in your home all summer long, it is time to change that, people. These budget-friendly AC units will chill you out, and now it's time to unbox this. Okay, you guys, the first AC unit that we have is the 7000 BTU one. So let's open it up. Nice. Okay, the first thing out of the box is the tube. This is your user manual. You have some screws, and you have your remote. This is another attachment for your tube. It's really heavy. Okay, there we go. It's out. This is part of the ventilation system. This is like the bracket that you mount and then you can lock in place. Okay, guys, so this is the AC unit. Looks pretty good. We've got a peel moment. Okay, first one is out of the box and it's looking good. Now let's move on to that 12,000 BTU unit. Okay, now this is the 12,000 BTU unit, which is bigger than the one I just unboxed, so we'll see how this goes. Oh my gosh, this is requiring all my strength. Okay. We're getting there. Okay, woo, got it out. Okay. Look, guys, we've got ourselves another tube. Another tube. There's some loose screws in here, so I don't want to take this out of the bag, but this is your user manual. Looks like this is another filter. Okay, like the 7000 BTU unit, you have this panel here. And you have your AC unit. And we have a peel moment. All right, you guys, so this is the 12,000 BTU unit, and it's bigger than the 7,000 BTU unit, but it's still not too massive. And if you're looking for an effective air conditioner, this is probably a good option for you. But let's get into the specs of both. I'm gonna get the other unit up on this table so we can dive into them. All right, you guys, so today we have two AC units from Rosewill. This one is 7,000 BTUs and this one is 12,000 BTUs. These devices are similar, but they do have a few key differences. Let's start off with the 7,000 BTU unit. Now this is a 3-in-1 product. It works as an air conditioner, a fan, and a dehumidifier. In air conditioner mode, you can lower the temperature of a room to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Fan mode is a more energy efficient cooling mode. 2 fan speeds keep your space at a comfortable temperature without using a ton of power. And then dehumidifier mode removes moisture from the air to prevent mold from building in your room. It also has a built-in continuous drain design, which means you don't have to worry about draining it yourself. Trust me, that is a huge benefit. It cools up to 200 square feet, and its compact mobile design means it won't take up too much space in your room. You can also move it around easily with the built-in wheels on the bottom. The remote makes it easy to adjust settings, and the digital display shows what the temperature is and what mode you're using clearly. You can also adjust the settings directly on the touch panel interface. Now moving on, we have the 12,000 BTU unit here, and this one packs more features and power into a slightly bigger device. The biggest difference with this one is that it is a 4-in-1 device. It's an air conditioner, a fan, a dehumidifier, and a heater. It also can cool or heat rooms up to 300 square feet. The 12,000 BTU unit also packs in a 3-layer filtration mechanism. In addition to the pre-filter that keeps hair, dust, and large materials out, it also has 2 upgraded filters with activated carbon and special coating, which removes odors and screens out small invisible particles for purifying, and it delivers clean, refreshing air to you and your family. Like the 7,000 BTU unit, this one can be conveniently moved from room to room. It can also be controlled via remote, and it features a digital display interface for you to make quick changes in your settings. If you're working with a budget but you're sick of sweltering in a hot apartment, these AC units are your perfect solution. Shop for them at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this.